During the last lecture, we discussed about the elimination reaction, that is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now today we want to discuss the reaction of the alkyl halides or aryl halides with the active metals. Okay, so when the alkyl halides or aryl halides are reacts with the active metals, then they form the some compounds which are called as the organometallic compounds. They are called as the organometallic compounds. Now see, what are the organometallic compounds? What are the organometallic compounds? The compounds which are formed by action of active metals like sodium, magnesium or cadmium with alkyl or aryl halides are called as the organometallic compounds. ऑर्गॅनिक मेटॉलिक कंपाऊंड्स कसे फॉर्म होतात, तर ॲक्टिव्ह मेटल सोडियम, मॅग्नेशियम किंवा कॅडमियम यांची अल्किल किंवा अरिल हॅलाइड बरोबर ॲक्शन होऊन जी कंपाऊंड्स फॉर्म होतात त्यांना आपण जनरली ऑर्गॅनोमेटॅलिक कंपाऊंड्स म्हणतो. पहिल्यांदा आपण फर्स्ट वी सी दॅट इज action of magnesium metal or called as formation of alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide or aryl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. See how they are formed. Alkyl magnesium halide or RMgX. When alkyl halides are treated with the magnesium metal, in presence of dry ether as a solvent, then alkyl magnesium halide is called as, they are represented as a RMgX. Which is also called as the Grignard region. So how this Grignard region is formed? See here, directly alkyl or aryl halides, when they are combined with the magnesium metal, reaction is carried out in presence of dry ether, then direct RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard region is formed. Okay, for example, if you take methyl bromide and when it is treated with magnesium metal, which is the highly active one, reaction is carried out in presence of dry ether, then you get methyl magnesium bromide, which is the Grignard region. Okay, in such a way we can prepare several alkyl or aryl magnesium halides which are called as the Grignard regions. No doubt these Grignard regions are highly active. And they are quickly reacts with water or hydrogen containing some compounds like alcohols or ammonia, that is in which hydrogen atom is present or hydrogen containing the several compounds. Grignard region reacts with them and forms the several compounds. For example, if you write Grignard region like RMgX, when they are combined with methyl alcohol, hydrogen atom gets tagged on alkyl group, you get RH, that is alkane, and side product MgX and ethoxy group OCH3 again attached to the magnesium. Similarly, in this RMgX combines with nitrogen, hydrogen containing compound like nitrogen. Then again reaction is carried out in presence of dry ether. Then you get one hydrogen get attack on alkyl group to form the alkane, and side product MgX and NH2 is formed. So Grignard reagent is highly reactive compound and it is useful for the preparation of the several compounds like alkane, say aldehydes, ketones or several alcohols. So this is the action of magnesium metal on the alkyl halides which forms the Grignard reagent or alkyl magnesium halide. Now next reaction is Wood's synthesis or Wood's reaction. Second, Wood's reaction. Already this reaction we discussed in 11th standard. Let's see again, that is action of sodium metal on alkyl or aryl halide. See here first in Wood's reaction, when alkyl halides are treated with sodium metal, when alkyl halides are treated with the sodium metal in presence of again dry ether as a solvent, in presence of dry ether as a solvent, then higher alkanes are formed. Higher alkanes are formed. This reaction is called as the Wood's reaction or Wood's reaction synthesis. Okay, here word higher alkanes are formed because we use two molecules of the alkyl halides treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, and higher alkanes are formed. Here alkyl groups gets coupled here. Okay, so this is the one more characteristic of the Wood's reaction, coupling. This is the coupling type of the reaction because new carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon single bond is formed in this reaction. So see here, for example, if you take general reaction Rx plus 2 sodium atoms Rx in presence of dry ether, then general reaction two alkyl groups are coupled there, gives higher alkanes plus side product 2 sodium, that is NaBr, sodium bromides are formed. If you take for example methyl bromide combines with 2 atoms of sodium, 2 molecules of methyl bromide coupled there, here bromine atom and sodium forms side product 2 NaBr and CH3 group, that is ethane is formed. Ethane is formed in this reaction. Similarly, if you take mixed alkyl halides like say ethyl bromide combines with 2 sodium atoms and 1 methyl bromide, we change the alkyl bromides, the reaction is carried out again in presence of dry ether. Then reaction takes place by self coupling as well as the cross coupling. In first case we get ethyl bromide coupled together by self coupling reaction, gives one more butane product. Similarly, write products in this way. Suppose only methyl bromides are coupled self, then it gives ethane, and if the cross coupling is takes place, then you get CH3 CH2 CH3, that is propane as a product, ethane and butane, and side product minus NABR, 2 moles of NABR are removed like that. So when mixed alkyl halides are react with the sodium metal, then we get different type of the products. No doubt by using the Woods reaction we cannot prepare methane. Remember well that this is the limitation of the Woods reaction. Now next reaction is Woods-Fitting reaction. Woods-Fitting reaction. Woods-Fitting reaction. Here, see what is the Woods-Fitting reaction. When alkyl halides and aryl halides, reacts with each other in presence of sodium metal and dry ether as a solvent, then substituted aromatic compounds are formed. This reaction is called as the Woods-Fitting reaction. Alkyl halides and aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether as a solvent, then substituted aromatic compounds are formed, which is called as the Woods-Fitting reaction. अल्किल हॅलाइडचा एक मोलेक्युल आणि अरिल हॅलाइडचा किंवा हॅलो अरिनचा एक मोलेक्युल सोडियम मेटल बरोबर ड्राय इथरच्या सानिध्यामध्ये रिॲक्ट होऊन सबस्टिट्यूटेड एरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स फॉर्म होत असतील तर त्या रिॲक्शनला आपण वूड्स-फिटिंग रिॲक्शन म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ यू टेक सपोज alkyl halide like methyl bromide, when combines with aryl halide like say bromobenzene, methyl bromide plus bromobenzene reaction takes place with the two atoms of the sodium in dry ether. What happens here? Sodium removes the two bromine atoms from the alkyl halide as well as the aryl halide, and methyl group gets attached here to form the substituted aromatic compound called as methylbenzene, or we commonly called as the toluene. Toluene or methylbenzene is formed and side product NABR is formed. Similarly, while you prepare the ethyl benzene, then instead of methyl bromide you use only ethyl bromide or ethyl chloride like that, and they are combined with the bromo or chlorobenzene to form the ethyl benzene. So this reaction is called as the Woods-Fitting reaction. Woods-Fitting reaction, action of the sodium metal with one molecule of alkyl halide and one molecule of the aryl halide is simply called as the Woods-Fitting reaction. Now only fitting reaction. See next reaction or fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. Wood synthesis is carried out in two molecules of alkyl halides. Woods-Fitting reaction is carried out in presence of alkyl and aryl halides, and fitting reaction is carried out only with two molecules of aryl halides. Two molecules of aryl halides or haloaryls. Two molecules of the aryl halides reacts with the again sodium metal, reacts with sodium metal in presence of again dry ether as a solvent. Then biphenyl is formed. This reaction is called as the fitting reaction. Biphenyl compound. How this reaction takes place here? For example, we take bromobenzene combines with two atoms of sodium metal. Here two molecules are required. Similarly, another bromobenzene molecule is written like that. Two molecules of bromobenzene react with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Then two benzene nucleus are coupled together by removal of two bromine atoms to form the side product sodium bromide. Two atoms of sodium bromide and two benzene nucleus are coupled together to form the compound called as the biphenyl. Biphenyl. Okay. IUPAC name for that compound is, you know, that benzophenone or called as the biphenyl compound is formed. This is called as the fitting reaction. Okay. Now we stop here. In next lecture we discuss remaining the reaction. Okay. Stop.